In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all the nail items you need to do your natural nails at home. This is for if you like to paint your nails with regular nail polish or nail lacquer. This is not gel or anything like that, but just the tools that I use on a weekly or daily basis to paint my natural nails at home. I'm going to leave everything I use in the description box. I do have an Amazon storefront that you can shop these products. It is an affiliate link, so I do get a small percentage, but it definitely is stuff that I've used, that I've tried out myself, and things that work for me. I also have some discount codes as well. I'll leave all that information in the description box, so hopefully this helps you out if you're looking to start doing your nails at home.
So instead of just listing the products I use, I thought it would be more fun to kind of walk you through the process of me doing my nails and using these products. So I'm starting off with Sally Hansen's Cuticle Remover. This is a holy grail product that I've been using for years. I feel like everybody has tried this cuticle remover. It's available in any drugstore, also Amazon as well. So really with this, it has like a little tip to put the remover on your nails, and you really want to put this just on the cuticles. You don't want to get it all over your skin. That's with any cuticle remover, because this is a very strong base that can irritate your skin. So try to get it only on the cuticle on your nail and not get it everywhere. Some other good cuticle removers, there's one by KB Shimmer that I use, and then I've also tried the Butter London one as well, so those are good options. The Blue Cross one, I know a lot of people use, that's in a big bottle. It's more liquidy. I don't like that one because it gets everywhere, and you really don't want to get it all over your skin, you guys. You really just want to get it on your nail, like I said. So I don't recommend the Blue Cross Blue Shield one. It's just too messy. It's very watery. I like the gel cuticle removers. You're also going to need a cuticle pusher. I got this one from a beauty supply store, but I've listed one on my Amazon storefront. I really like the metal ones, but you just have to be careful not to dig it into your nail. You really want it at like a 45-degree angle, and then lightly push your cuticles back. Your cuticles are the white, clearish looking sticky skin that grows on your nail plate. It is dead skin. That's what the cuticle is. A lot of people don't know what the cuticle is. So here I'm showing you see that whitish part on my proximal nail fold. I am going to cut that off because that is dead skin. I'm trying to show you up close, just the whitish part, not the brown part. I was gonna leave it, but it really didn't look good. It was dead and it was hard. So I tried applying cuticle remover on top of it. This is my favorite, cuticle oil on top of it to soften it up, but I ended up cutting it later. This is the best cuticle oil, you guys. I love that it has this little casing that encloses it, so you can hook it on your pants, your book bag, your purse. It's travel friendly. You can take it with you. It's so cute. They have different colors, different scents. I love the stones inside of it. And it's a small business run by a woman. So I really love that. Meech, she's so sweet. I do have a discount code for this cuticle oil. Highly recommend it. It's the only cuticle oil I use. Like, it's my favorite. Yes, you should be using cuticle oil 2 to 3 times a day. Like, really, every time you wash your hands, you should be applying cuticle oil. It's really going to help you grow long, strong, healthy nails and keep them nice and moisturized. All right, so another one of my favorites. Oh my gosh, I love this nail file from KB Shimmer. I've literally had it for years, like 3, 4, 5 years. I'm not sure how long, however long I've been swatching for KB Shimmer. She sent this in her little swatch package. I think I started swatching in 2020. So it's been 4 years I've had the same file, same nail file. It's like a glass nail file. Highly recommend. I don't use the little, I don't know, what are the other type of nail files? Like wooden, I don't know. I only use this like glass nail file. This is a true glass nail file. It lasts forever. It's amazing. and it's so gentle on your skin. You got to get one. So I did get some cuticle nippers and clip that white part that I showed you off. But I'm careful not to clip any live skin. I'm just clipping the dead skin off because it is dead, just the white part. And it just made my nails look so much better because this part was like really hard and lifting. And I know this is controversial, and I usually don't do this, but I just really had to get rid of it because it was dead. And these cuticle nippers aren't good. Like, if you're going to do this, you really need something sharp, and these are pretty dull. So, I mean, it's good to have cuticle nippers to clip dead skin. I don't use them often because my nails are pretty good. Alright, just don't clip your proximal nail fold off completely. It's not needed. It protects your nails from bacteria and infection, so you really don't want to clip it unless you know what you're doing. Alright, so my favorite nail polish remover, I'm trying to get a shot of it, is by Zoya Remove Plus. I get this giant refill bottle when they have their 70% off sales every year. And it's just the best. It does have some acetone in it. It's not 100% acetone. It has like it's like a nail prep, and it also has some moisture in it as well, so it doesn't completely dry your nails out. But it removes polish really well, and it's the only thing I use to remove my nail polish. Highly recommend that. Next, Oily Bonder is a classic. I do use other base coats. I don't have a favorite base coat, but I always make sure I have Oily Bonder because you just need it in your life. So now I'm just taking my nail polish and painting my nails. This color is by Zoya. It is PR. I've never tried it though. So I wanted something neutral because I'm going to be doing a fall nail design. Stay to the end to see me do this fall nail design. This is Evan by Zoya. So I painted one coat of Evan by Zoya, and this is Como Se Llama by OPI. And I applied these little latex, well, they're not latex. I don't think they're latex. It's this nail tape around my nails, and I hate this nail tape. It's by Maniology. I hate it. I can never apply it correctly. Don't recommend it, so just ignore that. But I would suggest taping your nail off or using liquid latex around your nails if you're sponging, just so you have less cleanup. So I'm going to do that aura nail. I put the neutral Zoya color around the edge and then the red in the middle, and I'm sponging that on my different nails to create that aura look. So nail sponges are another thing I recommend, especially if you do nail art. You can just get these at the drugstore or the grocery store, pretty much anywhere they sell sponges. I do kind of like to wet the sponge before I apply the nail polish, so it just doesn't soak up all the nail polish when you apply it on. So I'm just dabbing a few dabs until I like the coverage, the opacity, I like the placement, etc., etc., etc. So I think I did it 3 times depending on the nail, just to get that good aura look and to make sure the red is in the center. And I was happy with that. You see, I didn't cover my thumb, and you can see how much nail polish I got on my skin. So that's why I typically like to apply something around my nail when I sponge, so I have less cleanup. This is a nail cleanup brush by Jessie Monroe. She sent this to me as PR. I really love it. I also have one by KB Shimmer that I need to get a new one. It's kind of fraying, and it's not as thin as the Jessie Monroe one, so you can get more detailed cuticle work if you have a thinner brush. A nail cleanup brush is highly recommended. I like the angled ones, but they have other kinds as well, like the straight brushes. You can also use a makeup brush if you have like an eyeliner brush. You can use that as a cleanup brush. But I had this little nail dapping dish, super affordable. I got it at Sally's years ago. Just a small glass dish. I have used a shot glass in the past, but I like this dapping dish because it holds less liquid. So you just put a little bit of pure acetone in the dapping dish, and I'm cleaning up around my nails, removing that excess nail polish to give it that clean finish. And now I'm taking a top coat. This is my favorite top coat. It's Seche Vive. It's the one in the blue bottle. It's like a gel-like top coat. I love it. It's super fast drying, super glossy, and it performs better than the regular Seche Vite, in my opinion. That's the one in like the clear bottle. So I prefer the blue one. And I also buy the refill. The refill is more cost effective, and it'll last you for at least a year. Look how cute this Halloween cuticle buddy is. Again, I have a discount code Teri10. It'll give you 10% off at Shop Nails by Meech if you want to purchase this cuticle oil. Highly recommend. You're going to love it. Alright, this is what it's looking like now. You can stop here if you want, but I'm going to continue. So I'm taking this metallic gold by OPI, just applying it to my nail mat. I'm going to link this too because I love this mat. You can just like apply nail polish to it, and it's cheaper than buying it from a nail polish company. I just get it from Amazon. Another staple in my nail collection are nail art brushes. These are by Wistonia. I'm not sure if they still sell this version. I'll have to look. But this was their berry nail brush set. And this is just a thin liner brush. And I'm creating these curved lines and then just filling in the excess. I don't know what this is called, but I've seen it all over Instagram. So I'm trying it out. It's my first time trying, and I think it turned out super cute. I like the contrast of the metallic with the cream polishes in the background. I think it just really pops and stands out. Be sure to keep your hands on the table and just rotate your finger back and forth, and it'll make it easier to use this brush. And I just clean my nail polish brush between each nail. Put the brush in the little dapping dish with the acetone, and it just cleans all the nail polish off. You won't get super straight lines if you don't clean it between each nail. So those are my top items that you need to do your nails. I'm sure I've missed something, so check out my Amazon storefront to see what items I recommend. And I hope this video is helpful. Be sure to subscribe if it was, and hit the like button. And then I'm going on top again with that Seche Vive Fast Dry Top Coat. This is the final look. What do y'all think? I think it's so cute.
So I really hope that video was helpful. If it was, be sure to like the video. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them in the comment section, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.